ones. Those are so cute. And I love that these are called Mira Free, A678871. They're soft nubuck leather. And they have a cushioned soft footbed, so they're ready to walk, they're ready to sightsee, they're ready to go on tour, vacation, and they're designed specifically to be a flattering sport sandal. I think these are brilliant. Let me show you all the color choices that we have because I love the ones that Jackie has on. Oh my gosh. There's lots of points of entry here and adjustability. So the ones that are directly in front of you are the Flint. Or
no, this is the Flint.
That's Flint.
Yeah.
So that's sand.
Yes.
Got it. So there's sand. And I feel like it has a little bit of mauve on the hook and loop.
It does. It has a little bit of blush.
So cute.
Look at that.
Uh-oh. Sand, there's only 400 in stock.
Okay.
Here's the black. You popped these on. They look adorable.
They're perfect.
There are 500 left in the black. And then we've got them for you in the navy, which is a medium denim. 600 here. And then, this is the one that Jackie has on. This is the Flint.
That is the Flint. So that we're looking at a couple of different colors here. This has that black neoprene liner. You see this sort of Flint sedentary rock color here. And then this sort of off-white cream in the back.
How cute they are. And I think there's only 450 in stock there. And then here is the peach nubuck.
So beautiful. We're looking at peach, we're looking at coral, we're looking at blush. You know, it's that triple tone. It's just that sport sandal on steroids because it's Cloudsteppers.
And
right?
there's only 350 in the peach nubuck. I feel like I should just step out and call Kim Gravel because, you know, Georgia Peach, it's a peach. You got to have the peach nubuck. Yeah. But get your medium or wide widths right now, and we have whole and half sizes. So free exchanges for size and colors here at QVC. So stick to your true size. When it comes to Mira Free, what kind of details are we talking about?
Well, I just want to show you, this is Cloudsteppers, so you know you're getting layer upon layer upon layer of dynamic cushioning underneath your foot. Has really nice give and bounce in this. You put this on and you're just going to sink down into it. And then look at the design of the upper. This is a wonderful sport sandal that has a really unique design to it. We have 1, 2, 3 points of adjustability, so you get that nice custom fit to what you need. And then we added this security strap right here up the side. But what this strap is doing, it creates such a slimming effect to the foot. I've talked about this before. I'm a 9 wide. I'm a little conscious of the way my feet look sometimes. The way this is designed, look at how slim my foot looks.
Look at my skinny feet, okay?
So right here, look at this right here.
It looks like she's wearing a little dress flat.
Super flattering. So this is a sport sandal, but if you throw this on with a long maxi dress, you're good to go. Like the versatility on this is great.
And hi, they're $56.98 total. And the easy pay is $11.40. They're free shipping also. So a lot of people ordering these right now, especially the Flint. Trendsetter. Thank you. There are 250 left in the Flint. I'm holding the peach nubuck. I think that's such a pretty soft shade. Anything pink or sherbet is gonna sherbet.
Sherbet?
Have you heard about this debate? Is it sherbet or sherbet?
No, it's sherbet.
I guess maybe where you're from.
She's like, is my last name Webster? Why are you looking at me? Like, I have the answer.
It's a tomato.
She's such a good sport. Call in, let us know.
I didn't know there was a debate, so.
I know. Well, maybe it's in my own head. Then we also have them in black.
Yes.
But we also have that beautiful sand color. I want to highlight something here, and I want to ask you this question.
Sure.
This is very soft, pliable, lightweight nubuck leather.
Yes.
If I'm going to crash around all summer, should I treat this? Am I going to destroy these when I get them home? You know how I am.
You can go ahead and spray them. You can go ahead and spray them.
Thank you.
You can go ahead and spray them.
Everybody else is fine.
I would spray them too. Because I'm like you.
Lord have mercy. Because, I mean, I wanted to, you know, let's address it. Like, I think when it comes to nubuck leather and a sports sandal, give it a little spray, you're good to go.
Right.
But quite frankly, you just took sports sandal into the next dimension.
We really did. Look at this sole. Look how beefy this sole is, yet it's super lightweight. You get piles and piles and piles of comfort underneath your foot. And the way we did the upper, this is not the sports sandal that has, you know, the bungee with the straps and the, you know, the clicking things and, you
There's
know, all
places
of
for
that.
those too.
But this is the one that's more streamlined. So if you're going to, what's wrong?
The Flint.
Ah.
It's so cute. They were just focusing. Oh, it's last call.
Look at
I knew
that.
I wasn't going to get them.
It's that back strap. It's that cream back strap that just pops the whole shoe.
I mean, the stone color, which I know is the Flint color, but like the black and the stone and the cream all together and glittery toes, you better stop it. Now, the peach nubuck also has a little piece of my heart.
Yes,
Because there's 250 there. If you buy a lot of vintage denim or a lot of sun-washed denim, that's gonna look really cute with that.
Yeah.
Here's the Flint. Maybe I should say don't even look at it. Here's the navy, and just to call out again, it's like a medium denim.
It's a denim.
blue.
Yeah, it's a denim.
There's only 500 in stock right now. And then the black that's on your Tootsies.
That's like, for me, I always get a new black sandal every season because it's just what I do. And this is what I would get because of the versatility of it,
good.
the adjustability of the upper, the fact that it's a Cloudstepper. Like this has everything for you.
At the very end, we've got them for you in sand. There's only 300 there. And I think I skipped the black, Pop. I'm so sorry. You said there were... Thank you. There's 300 left in the black. I think it's your toes. And I love that. Oh, quick update for everybody. Oh, Flint is gone. Sorry. Bye, Jackie. You're too good at your job. Okay, wait. I'm going to put these over here. Here's the deal. Please grab these while we have them.
Yeah.
More than half gone. These are new today. And sports sandal is a very searched term on QVC.com.
Oh, yeah.
So when you see new and you see that we have the sale prices for our super style sale, sale prices for our super style sale.
I'm not going to try and say that.
I don't think you should.
But look at this. I love when we can open it up like this.
Yeah, it's
and
fully
just
adjustable.
show you, look at all that sponginess in here. And then you get that custom fit, medium and wide, whole and half sizes. You get to fit this exactly how you need it.
It just, again, feels on the inside like it's neoprene.
Yeah.
Just soft, no seaming, digging into your foot. And if you have a wider toe box, you can adjust it. If you take a flight and you wear these and your ankles swell up a little bit, you can adjust it.
Have too many margaritas with salt, and your
Better-
ankles swell, you can adjust it.
Why I didn't start there, I don't know. But I love the fact that that little bit of focus on making our sports sandals just a little bit more fashiony by taking that ridge over to the side. It's almost like you change the part in your hair, you know?
That's a great
like
way to look
center
at it.
part business, off to the side part, let's go on trip.
Love it.
So here's the peach nubuck. Am I calling that right? Peach what? Peach nubuck. Hey, how about that?
Yep.
200 left. Here's the navy. 400 left. Here's the black. Whoa, 150 left. And then here's the sand. 200 left. Goodness. 1,500 have already been picked up, and it's 5 easy payments of $11 and change. When are you back?
That was really fast.
I know, wasn't it?
It was.
It felt like it flew.
Jane Tracy is shoe shopping later tonight.
9 p.m.
6 p.m.
6 p.m.? Oh, sorry.
6 p.m. I have an hour show at 9.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
we'll
you guys
see
aren't
then.
getting rid of me yet.
We don't want to. Everybody stick around. From this Susan to Susan Graver coming up next. Now we got to get some fashions to go with our shoes.
I can't wait.
We'll see you there. Thank you.